Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com. Since I'm in Bangkok for a conference, so this is only a podcast. Asian markets open higher. American futures are also slightly higher. That was expected. But SGX Nifty is not showing any, I would say, not showing any enthusiasm. And SGX Nifty is slightly down by about 10-20 points only, not a big deal. But given the fact that the global cues are good and Asian markets are higher, so I thought SGX Nifty will be indicating a positive opening, but it's not showing. But however, most of the time SGX Nifty may not be the true indication. So once we open, so we can expect some uptick. And especially US markets were higher on Friday. Nasdaq was higher by more than 2%. And Infosys ADR was up nearly 3%. So I told you already, whenever this Nasdaq is higher, which are usually technology stocks, and Indian IT stocks are likely to do well. So today I'm expecting some uptick in IT stocks. But what could be the probable reason for SGX Nifty is trading slightly negative? One possible reason could be Reliance. So over the weekend, so there was some news about Reliance. Let me just read out that news exactly as it came. Reliance said shutdown of one of crude distillation unit and fluidized catalytic cracker of SEZ refinery at Jamnagar. Duration of the shutdown is expected to be 3 to 4 weeks for CDU. So, in simple language, so they are closing some plant for maintenance and it can last 4 to 5 weeks. So that means, even if they are closing for some other bad news, still they will say we are closing for maintenance. So just like Russia is saying, they are closing the Nord Stream pipeline 1 for maintenance. So the point here is that, we do not know how much will be the loss for Reliance revenue because of this 4 to 5 weeks of maintenance closure, and what will be the corresponding effect in the profitability. So we do not know. So today the market will tell you. So today we can expect Reliance to drag the market down. And that could be the only reason why SGX Nifty is trading negative while all the Asian markets are positive. And today, many markets are closed, like China, Hong Kong, South Korea, so they're all closed. And US futures are, I would say, slightly higher, not a big difference. And Japan, Australia, so they are all looking good. Okay, so overall the sentiment is positive only. I do not know, like maybe it's possible that some people knew about this Reliance news even on Friday itself. That's why the people have sold call options heavily. Nifty closing around 17,850 around. So 17,900 is the nearest call. Even that 17,900 and 17,800 call options had a huge open interest. But of course, the put options also have seen the good amount of addition, like 17.8, 17.7, 17.6, 17.5. But more calls are added than the puts if you are taking the next two strikes, which means that 17.9 CE, 18,000 CE, 17.9 PE, 17.8 PE. So if you compare these two calls and puts, more calls are written than the puts. So probably, the people know something wrong. And otherwise, even SGX Nifty trading lower is also like looking very, very surprising. So anyway, once we open, so we will know. what is the effect of Reliance. So we do not know the effect of this news on Reliance share price. So that is a bigger uncertainty today. So Asian markets are also they are coming off from their highs, and I would say they are all trading with like some positive bias only, not a runaway rally. So anyway, people will not like to take huge positions ahead of US CPI inflation data tomorrow. So that CPI inflation data can make or break the markets. But somehow I have a feeling that these things have already been factored in the markets already. So unless there is a very bad inflation data like above 8.5, 8.5 or above, which was the last month figure. So I don't think that market is going to correct significantly. But however, some kind of a profit booking or knee-jerk reaction is not ruled out. So therefore, the markets are likely to stay sideways for today and tomorrow, and Monday markets can make a bigger move. So that is my expectation. For today, the stocks to watch is on the positive side is IT stocks, negative side is Reliance Industries. I think banking stocks will be like more or less neutral, so I'm not expecting any big move in banking stocks. So that is my guess. So otherwise, this we have only 3 more weeks for expiry, so the time decay will help people to make some money. So I sold 17,600 PE for this weekly expiry. So I'm hoping that market will take support. So let us see whether the market takes support. Of course, I've also sold 18,200 call option also. So I'm expecting market to trade between these two numbers for the next 3 days. Next 4 days we can say up to Thursday. So let us see what happens. So fingers crossed about Reliance Industries today. Yeah, hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.